Yeah, I have never played a game like this. I've never played a game that hasn't gone all the way to the end under these circumstances. And it's just a unusual, sad thing that had to happen, but I'm glad that we did finish the game. We came out there and 4th and 6, and we had a set plan to go for on offense. And sadly, we didn't get them to jump off sides like we had hoped. So we did a little pooch kick, and we got them stopped down on near the goal line, and we just stopped them on defense. I'm glad that we overcame what happened, and I'm just glad that we got the win.
Hey, time to watch your film. Enjoy yourselves. Stay out of trouble. Break it down.